What's up, guys? Happy Sunday. Now, I wasn't gonna make a video about this, but I decided that I should. This is my old work truck. As some of you might know, I build houses during the day, so I usually have my truck completely packed full with, you know, various house building stuff. Then on the weekends, I use it to tow, and I did use this to tow up until a few years ago, where I just lost all of its power and just basically sucked. And then that's when I used the X5 to tow everything, or Mike's truck, or Ben's truck. And this thing was giving me more problems. They're fixed, but it's just time for it to go. And I figured if I'm getting a new truck, I'm going to get something that can tow. And since BMW doesn't make long distance tow vehicles, we had to go to the next best thing, which is a Chevy. And did you know diesel prices are crazy right now? And I wasn't considering it, but I came up on a deal on this right here. It's a 2012 Silverado 2500 HD. It's diesel. It's got, what, the Allison transmission in it. It's like 100,000 miles, 120 or something like that. And now it's Sunday. I just got this Friday because the truck was crap. So between, what, just all day yesterday and today, it was clean, but we had to get it ready for work. We open up the inside. It's gorgeous. Actually, I had to buy some cheap old seat covers. It's all super nice leather in here, and I didn't want to ruin it at all. It's pretty sweet. Remote start. It's awesome. There's a little hinge problem. That's getting fixed. Back seat also pretty massive. You can see random house building stuff, because I only had a day to clean that truck out and then get this one ready, because I gotta go to work in the morning. But more seat covers. This is already huge in the back, which I like, and the seats fold all the way up, so tons of room, because I'm thinking about when we tow to Florida or Indy or ice cream cruise, we need something big. I just picked up this cap yesterday because I always store so much stuff in the back, and it's going to be great for towing and for storing. You see, it's massive, huge, 8-foot bed, long bed, whatever you want to call it. I want to store tires in here. I'm trying to build a tire rack for the trailer, so we'll see about that. But there's just going to be room for everything, so hopefully we won't be cramped, and we can have a few of us, or just take one vehicle somewhere, and that'd be awesome. I think stock, it's like 380 horsepower and like 700 foot-pounds of torque, which is a lot. Underneath, engine bay is fairly clean. There's no leaks at all. We took it to Brandon's work, and me and Chris went up underneath of it on the test drive, checked it all out. I'm happy with it. Yeah, I guess you could say. We do have a bunch of parts already coming for it. I'll tell you about that. We'll do some like how-tos on them, but it's gonna make a lot more power and get a lot more gas mileage. But let's go for a little ride. It's fairly quiet on the inside. It's got your typical diesel sound, but I like it. One thing that we have on order is a monitor and a tuner. It'll probably sit like right up here so we can see all the gauges, because can't see boost, can't see EGTs, which are the big things, and diesels that you need to worry about. It actually gets up and goes. I think I read it weighs like 8,000 pounds or something like that. He's a big boy. We gotta figure out the name for it. Maybe I'll have it decided by the time this video comes out. Who knows? You really can't hear anything out of it. It's super quiet. Tailpipe right up here at the engine. Super loud. One thing we gotta see is this thing will do a burnout, of course. And we'll do this as a before video, because there's also an exhaust coming for it. Well, what do you know? It can do a burnout. I think maybe it started on one side and then locked up. I don't know. That's pretty sweet. That thing couldn't do a burnout, which was no fun. I wanted to do lots of burnouts. This does, but we're not going to do it because that was probably just $20 in diesel fuel right there. And, you know, tires are expensive too. So what we have coming is a monitor, a tuner, EGR delete, intake, DPF delete, full exhaust, some random stuff. So it should take it to like 1,000 torque and still get like 25 miles per gallon. But yeah, should be good. It's a good investment. We're gonna be able to tow everything across the country and it should be reliable, have lots of room. That's all for this one, guys. We're gonna end it off right here and I will see you on the next one.